Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the future? We imagine flying cars and gleaming towers, a world straight out of science fiction. But what if I told you that future isn't just in the stars? It's happening right now down here on Earth. The cities of tomorrow are being built today, brick by brick and code by code. These aren't just regular cities with taller buildings or faster trains, they are something new, something revolutionary. They are cities with a brain, a digital mind that is learning, adapting, and growing every single second of every single day. This is the dawn of the AI-first city. Imagine a city that knows you, not in a scary way, but in a helpful one. A city that anticipates a traffic jam before it even starts and changes the stoplights to keep everyone moving smoothly. Picture a place where the garbage cans tell the sanitation department they are full, so trucks only come when they are needed. This saves fuel, reduces noise, and keeps the streets cleaner. This isn't magic, it's the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. These AI-first cities are popping up all over our planet, from Singapore to Dubai, from Toronto to new experimental communities. They are living laboratories, grand experiments in urban living. Think of it like the human nervous system. You have sensors all over your body, your eyes, your ears, your skin, that collect information about the world around you. This information travels along nerves to your brain. Your brain then processes everything and makes a decision, like pulling your hand away from a hot stove. In an AI-first city, the sensors are cameras on street corners, air quality monitors on buildings, and even smart meters in your home that track energy use. They are the city's senses. The nerves of this city are the high-speed internet networks that carry all this information to a central hub. This is where the magic, or rather the science, happens. So, what would it feel like to wake up in one of these cities of the future? Your morning might start with a commute that is surprisingly smooth. The traffic lights are all synchronized, communicating with each other to create a green wave that lets cars flow through the city with fewer stops. The navigation app in your car or on your phone doesn't just show you the shortest route, it shows you the fastest route right now, based on real-time data from every other vehicle on the road. Public services would also feel smarter and more responsive. Imagine you see a pothole on your street. You could simply take a picture with your phone and send it to a city app. An AI system would instantly analyze the image, confirm it's a pothole, pinpoint its exact location using GPS, and automatically create a work order for a repair crew. No long phone calls, no complicated forms to fill out. And what about getting things delivered? In an AI-first city, small autonomous vehicles, think of them as smart self-driving pods, could bring your packages, groceries, or takeout right to your doorstep. These little robots would travel on sidewalks or in dedicated lanes, quietly and efficiently. They would operate day and night, reducing the number of large delivery trucks on the roads. This means less traffic, less pollution, and faster service. Even the way we use energy would be transformed. Your home's smart meter would talk to the city's power grid. The AI brain of the grid would know when demand for electricity is high, like on a hot afternoon when everyone turns on their air conditioning, and when it is low. It could then offer you incentives like cheaper electricity rates if you run your dishwasher or washing machine late at night. This simple act of coordination, multiplied across thousands of homes, helps balance the load on the power grid, preventing blackouts and reducing the need to build more expensive power plants. The benefits of building a city with an intelligent brain are vast, touching nearly every aspect of urban life. One of the most significant is safety. AI systems can monitor traffic flows to identify dangerous intersections where accidents happen frequently. In an emergency, AI can help first responders get to the scene faster by clearing a path for them, changing every traffic light to green as their vehicle approaches. Then there is the air we breathe. By optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion, by making public transportation more reliable and efficient, smart energy grids help us use electricity more wisely. All these small changes, orchestrated by the city's AI, add up to a massive improvement in air quality, creating a healthier environment for everyone. These cities are also engines of innovation and economic opportunity. Building and maintaining an AI-powered city requires a whole new workforce of engineers, data scientists, and technicians. It attracts technology companies and startups eager to develop new applications for this urban testbed. This creates jobs and fuels economic growth. Ultimately, an AI-first city is a more sustainable city. This isn't just about making our lives more convenient today. It's about building cities that can thrive for generations to come. As we stand on the threshold of this new urban era, it's natural to have questions. When a city collects so much data, who is watching it? How do we protect our privacy? And how can we be sure that the AI is making fair decisions for everyone, regardless of who they are or where they live? These are not small questions, they are some of the most important questions of our time. Building a truly smart city means we also have to be smart about ethics and governance. These new cities are more than just collections of buildings, they are test grounds for the future of humanity. They are where we will figure out the new rules for living alongside intelligent machines. The conversation about how these cities should be run cannot be left only to the technologists. It must include everyone, citizens, artists, sociologists, and philosophers, to ensure the AI-first city serves human goals and human dreams. Why should you care about this, even if you don't live in one of these high-tech hubs yet? Because the lessons we learn in these urban laboratories will shape the world for everyone. The technologies that are perfected in Singapore or Toronto today could be in your town tomorrow. The solutions they find for traffic, pollution, and energy use could help solve global challenges. The rise of the AI-first city represents a pivotal moment in our journey as a species. For millennia, we have shaped our cities with muscle, stone, and steel. Now we are shaping them with data, algorithms, and intelligence. The result will be cities that are not just smarter, but more responsive, more sustainable, and more human. They are a reflection of our own growing intelligence and our timeless desire to build a better world. The universe is full of wonders, and one of the most amazing is the city we are building together. A place where technology and humanity meet to create the future. If this vision of the future excites you, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who would find it fascinating, and subscribe for more explorations into the technologies shaping our world. The future is being built right now, and we're all part of the story.